Now I'm gonna to focus on the cleaning inside of my car.
The very best, like no one ever was. The cat scam is my real test. To train them is my cause.
I don't know what happened, but something something goes wrong. Penetrate to the daughter, right? I sincerely I don't know what happened. Really don't know what happened. This is not my fault. Really sorry. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about my car and you know, my car is not good. I mean, I talk about appearance that they have a dirty look, and now I'm gonna to clean my car, outside of my car and the inner place of my car, because you know, I haven't cleaned my car since fall, yeah, previous year. And now I'm going to do it. And as I mentioned before, I'm a very greedy man. That's why I prefer to do it by myself. I mean, to go to the special I don't know how to say in English, like a special place where I can you know, wash my car and use their tools, but do it by myself. The second reason why I have what I doing right in this way, because you know, it's like relaxing me. I do it because you know, I like to clean something what I possess, what I have, especially my car. Okay, let's do it.
Uzak durdu atım şapmadı, buruluştan şak şak atladı. Kandıranlar dağı, avlı vuranların şeşkelerge kunu bulmadı. Kandıranlar dağı, avlı vuranların şeşkelerge kunu bulmadı. Uzak durdu atım şapmadı.
Okay, I'm here, and usually I clean my car with a three stage. First of all, I use water to, you know, to make my car more wet, and you know, the dust and dirty, you know, will be more wet, in order to, it will be easier to clean, to get rid of them. Then I will put the foam, right, in order to clean my car better. And then after the foam penetrate, right? Oh, I know this word. Penetrate to the dirty, right? Then I have been waiting about maybe 5 minutes, right? And then I will you know, get rid of all of the dirty foam with water. And first of all, I have to you know, not insert, but I have a special carpet, right? I mean this one, in order to, this is a carpet protect, my car from dirty inside of car, and I have to, put in the special way in order to clean them as well. Let's go. I don't know what happened, but something goes wrong. I sincerely I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. This is not my fault. Really sorry. Okay, first of all I have to, put here. Look, so dirty, right? And then I put in the special places. They tied this carpet, and then I will wash it. Look at them, they are very dirty, very dirty. Now I'm gonna to use this special coin. One coin equal about 50 rubles, right? And I put here, and then I choose pena in Russia, but in English it will be foam, right? Press here, and then I use this special handle made. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have done it. And now, as you can see, the foam go down and catch some dirty, right? And my car clean a little bit cleaner than was before. Okay, and here the same situation here. Look at this. This is a dirty. Today will be video with a lot of dirty. I'm sorry. Now everything is ready to move on to the next stage of our cleaning. It will be like to pour all of this car with water, and with not original water, but water with big pressure. And I'm going to show you. Okay, I use the second coin and insert in a special place, and then I have to pick this one. It is water in English. Okay. Let's get started.
Squirtle, 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 squirtle. Squirtle.
für alle Tage. Ja. Nein. Ja. Nein. Willst du bis der Tod euch scheide, treu sein für alle Tage?
Okay, I'm finished the get rid of foam and dirty. Now my car is pretty clean, right? And now I'm gonna to to get rid of not get rid of, but make it a little bit drier to I don't know this word. Okay, I've checked this word. This is a wipe, right? And I wipe my car not from top to the bottom, but only I think the highest part of my car, because as you can see the outside is completely rain, and after 5-10 minutes after go out of this place, my car will be a little bit more dirty than I have right now. And I think this is useless to to wipe here in the bottom. This is clean, and this is pretty clean, and for me it's okay. Okay, I've finished the wipe all of my car. As you can see, I don't it perfectly, but okay, as I mentioned before, it doesn't matter for me. Now I'm going to focus on the cleaning inside of my car, and usually I don't do it like on a weekly basis. I do it like 3-4 times a week. And now I'm going to vacuum my car, and I will use special tools. This is a vacuum cleaner, not like a vacuum cleaner in your apartment, but a special for cars. It has a lot of powers, right? The special bottoms to like a. And now let's do it. Okay, now it will be a little bit noisy, and I switch off the volume of this video, because I think it won't be so convenient for you to listen to a lot of noises, but you will see. I think you remember how it looks like, but now I'm going to show you how it looks like right now. Okay, look, this is much better right now, right? Okay, I've cleaned my car, and look at her. Much better than before, right? And now I'm going to go to the I don't know how to say in English, the place where I can repair my car, because I don't need to repair my car, but I need to change oil in the engine in my car. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm in the car station. I don't know how to say in English, and I'm gonna to change my oil.